I found this at the Dollar Tree and it's parts to create a wreath. So they have a bunny head, hands and feet. So I thought I'd give this a try and find an idea with this. You could do a round wreath and I chose to do a vertical one. So I have this panel with the egg at the top from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to add these 3 boards. The boards are also from the Dollar Tree. Then I'm going to take a second panel and lay it on top and glue this all together. This is going to give my staples something to adhere to as these panels are thin. I found this mesh from Walmart, and this white mesh I believe I got at Hobby Lobby. I've had it for a while and I'm going to layer the 2. Just letting them fall vertically. I'm going to grasp it all together and use my staple at the top. Then I'm going to create a bubble, gather it, and staple again. And I'm going to do this several times down the board. This last bubble, I'm going to tuck my cut off portion underneath the bubble and staple it so it's hidden, and then tuck the rest of the excess material under the bubbles. Then I'm going to cut the portion at the top nice and short, and then I'm going to start by adding my face. I'm going to take the strings, I'm going to tie a knot, tuck it under that first bubble and staple on both sides. And then cut the excess string. I'm going to go down 2 bubbles. I'm going to cut the string off of the feet. And then I'm going to hot glue the feet, taking a little bit of glue, and then I took these little square pieces of wood that I had picked up at the Dollar Tree. You can use a Scrabble piece or a Jenga block, anything to kind of make a sandwich press with the mesh in between to hold the feet in place. I found this carrot from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to remove the tag and then take that wooden piece at the bottom. I'm going to glue the hand to one side of the carrot, cut the string, then I'm going to glue the carrot into that gap of the bubble from the mesh, and then add the second hand. So it looks like he's holding the carrot. Then I'm going to take this ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree and I'm going to make a loop to the right and a loop to the left, continue with a loop to the right, loop to the left, loop to the right, loop to the left, pinching in the center. I'm going to take a piece of jute to tie the center together to hold my bow, and then you can kind of spread this out and fluff it up. And then I'm going to tie the back portion of the jute to my first bubble and then cut the tails. I was really happy how this turned out, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitoutfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfers, our new cutouts, or mesh stencils, chalkitoutfancy.com.